So next chumvi. Haya basi, nishakoroga. Nikikata ndogo ndogo, hizi zote zingekuwa zimebondeka, zingekuwa smashed like venye my other video. Ila nikata kubwa kubwa, nilikata ndogo ndogo. Sasa ndio maana unaona zilikuwa hata unge differentiate between potatoes and banana, but here potatoes are okay, but not so much cooked. Nini imebaki our meal is ready.
Nice.
Tutasema jina German. Bado sijaelewa bana. Lakini acha tuseme.
Okay.
Mein Essen ist lecker.
Wow! Oh my God!
Hata si lecker peke yake. Mein Essen ist sehr lecker. My food is very delicious. Very delicious. Najua sahi, my neighbors are wondering, what is this girl saying sahi saa 6 ya usiku? Anasema nini? Is she okay? Ako sawa? So kama umefika mpaka hapa watch, we ni fan, manze, we ni fan. You're my number one fan. And so comment down, guys, please. Msiko tu mna watch, but you're not commenting. At least ni encourage your girl. Anyhow, kama umefika hadi hapa, thank you so much for watching, and comment down next. Sijui nipike nini, mokimo ama Githeri, si Githeri, ndio Githeri, mokimo ama omena. Tell me down at the comment section, and I'm here, man. I'll cook it step by step. Today sijaonyesha step by step kwa sababu time maze. Hata sai guys, ndio mjue how serious I am. It's 12:21 a.m. and I'm supposed to wake up at 6:30. Oh, stalking. And I'm supposed to wake up at 6:30 so that I can go to work. Mpaka sasa niko hapa for you guys. For you guys. So watch, comment na mniambie zingine video kama zingine gani. If you would like a day in my life from morning up until when I close my shop, you can comment down and I'll take you all along. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, it's your Beth here. It's your Beth here. What am I saying? It's like even my brain is tired, my mouth is tired. I'm saying the wrong things. So it's your girl, Beth. I have to say bye as I continue eating. This food is so delicious. My future husband will be very, 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 very likey, not lucky. What am I saying? My body is even shutting down because I'm saying the wrong thing. So, future husband, where are you? Yeah, your girl is ready, bana. I know how to cook. Don't come yet. I'm not yet ready for anything serious. So guys, bye. Bye.